Welcome back students. Now we are going to discuss adsorption isotherms. Okay, isotherms, it has two terms, iso and therm is temperature. So isotherms are the plots in which are plotted at constant temperature. So in this chapter we will basically focus on plots of extent of adsorption with pressure. That means how does pressure, extent of adsorption depends on pressure at constant temperature. And we will basically focus on adsorption of gases on solids. So let's start. Adsorption of gases on solid. That means here adsorbate is a gas and adsorbent is solid. Gases are being adsorbed on the surface of solid. So first of all, the extent of adsorption of gases on solids depends on nature of gas. And we are aware of the fact, actually the physical adsorption is specific, but it is less specific as compared to chemical adsorption. So since physical adsorption is we can say non-specific in nature, any gas will be adsorbed on the surface of solid to the same extent. However, there is some condition like we know easily liquefiable gases, those gases which can be liquefied easily, such as ammonia, methane, HCl, chlorine, sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide, etc. are adsorbed more rapidly as compared to those which cannot be adsorbed. This is because which cannot be liquefied. This is because those gases which can easily be liquefied, that means they have a greater intermolecular attraction, and that is why they are adsorbed on the surface more easily and more fastly. And if we talk about chemoadsorption, it is specific in nature, it is highly specific in nature, and thus only those gases will be adsorbed which form chemical bonds with the adsorbent molecules. And next is obviously depends on the nature of solid, that means on the nature of adsorbent. You must have studied that activated charcoal is used as an adsorbent. This is because activation enhances actually the adsorption power of charcoal. Greater the surface area, greater the number of pores, there would be more affinity for the adsorbate molecules and adsorption will be high. So activated charcoal is the most common adsorbent for easily liquefiable gases. Poisonous gases such as methane and carbon monoxide fall in this group, therefore it is used in gas masks. Activated charcoal is used in gas mask, which is used by the worker working in mines. Other gases such as oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen adsorb more on the metal surface like nickel, platinum and palladium as compared to the surface of activated charcoal.